Today we are in Sammamish, about to pour a giant stamped concrete sidewalk, patios, and stairs. Got the line pump set up, ready to go. Give you an idea of what we're dealing with today. We'll pipe through here, coming around this corner. We have 1,005 square feet through here.
Okay.
We have 75 feet of stamped curbing as we get ready to put artificial grass on top of this area. Nice curve here, look really nice. The stairs have a good curve to them as well. Put masonite in there to round them out. Should look fantastic.
Do that all the time.
That costs the extra, huh?
I like to look at it. Yeah, I think what we'll do, we'll finish this off here, and then we're going to break it.
But it cuts so deep,
We need a
it's
different.
okay. I just gotta try it again.
Oh.
I'll use it.
I'm gonna bonk you here.
No, I
Later.
floated.
Upcharge, baby.
Checks in hand.
Then she said, left the can out there. Oh well, we'll get it. We're spraying up halfway out when we get clear on.
Okay.
Good out there now?
Hey, do you need this one? Lupe, we usually do our stamps, we finish about 9 o'clock at night.
Sammamish. Like I said, they hear that quick.
Anything that's small footprint, I would wait. Roll it in.